this is going to be my overview and evaluation of the selection tool, the Hornbook Guide Online. This is a subscription-based website. I had to pay $48 to subscribe for 1 year, and I was totally okay with doing that because I needed to be able to do it to do this review, and also I know I will get plenty of use out of it. So when you first log in, you will see that there are categories across the top. You can select one of these categories to search for books, or you can come into this search bar right here, and you can type in a specific title, ISBN, or author. On the front page of the Hornbook Online, as you scroll, you'll see that there are some recommended books or some highlighted books under different categories. Okay, so that's something that it has to offer, a feature that it has to offer, and I would imagine those get changed out frequently. And then I'm just going to go ahead and click on Easy Readers so that we can start to look at what this has to offer. So when you click on one of those categories up top, I clicked on Easy Readers, you will see all of the books. This has 639 reviews, so there's 639 titles under the Easy Readers category. And they're in alphabetical order by author. So when you look at this, there's a lot to look at here. And so the first thing I noticed that I was a little bit confused on was, what is this number? So I wanted to know immediately, what does that number mean? Because I was trying to look for a rating or how is this, where's the review at? So I clicked on that and it brought me immediately to this, and I was like, aha, there it is. And it's a diagram that shows all of the components of the review. So it has the title and author, the ISBN, the date of publication, the how many pages it has, a quick synopsis, who was the reviewer, and when was it reviewed. It has some subject listings, and there it is. That's the rating. So then when you scroll down, it gives you a key so that you understand what the ratings mean. And so I thought this was pretty interesting because one is outstanding, noteworthy in style, content, and or illustration, and it has a star. 2 is superior, well above average, with a triangle. So when you come back up here, there's a star here, so you can kind of see all the ones with stars are those top rated books. And if it has a triangle, then you know it's still kind of up there. A 3 is recommended, but it's satisfactory in style, content, and or illustration. And a 4 is still recommended with minor flaws. And then what I thought was really interesting was that the reviews of books that are not recommended are no longer available. So what they've done is they have not put books into this guide at all if they don't recommend them. So if you're searching for a book and it's not there, it's because they don't recommend it. And so then over here, I liked this because they kind of broke down these categories up here and told us what they mean. So if you're like, oh, what is intermediate fiction? What entails intermediate fiction? You can come down here and say, oh, that's 4th through 6th grade. So it kind of breaks down the age range for you. And same thing, the age ranges are a little bit different for nonfiction, but mostly the same. So overall, I found this to be very user-friendly. It gives a decent amount of information. And I think for the purpose of selection and us trying to select our materials for our collection, I think that it's a great tool to use, especially if, sometimes selection policies will say, has to have a positive review from certain selection tools. And so I think that this is a good reputable one, and it would be a quick, easy place to go and search for specific books, or just to browse and try to find some books that are highly rated. And then over here, you'll see that there's other ways to search and to sort by. So that's another really great feature of this. So very user-friendly. Overall, I think very user-friendly, has a ton of titles to search from, and I think it's a great tool.